This is Mia. Today is her first taxi ride. Let's learn with her. Mia stands on the street. She checks her phone again and again. This is her first taxi ride alone. A taxi stops in front of her. She hesitates for a moment. Then she gets into the taxi. Hello. Hi. Where are you going today? This is my destination. Here is the address. Let me check. Okay, I know this place. Thank you. Is this your first time here? Yes, it's my first time. Don't worry, I'll take you there safely. Thank you, I really appreciate that. The traffic is quite busy today. Yes, I can see that. It might take about 10 minutes. That's okay, I'm not in a hurry. Please turn left here. Left here? Yes, that's right. Okay. Then go straight for a while. Go straight. Got it. Then turn right at the next street. The next street. Yes, the next one. Okay. Please slow down a little. Sure. Please stop here. Right here? Yes, this is perfect. Okay, we're here. The fare is $5. $5? Yes, $5. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Do you need a receipt? Yes, please. Here you are. Thank you. Now, let's learn some vocabulary. Driver. The driver is in front. The driver is driving the car. Driver. Destination. This is my destination. We are going to this destination. Destination. Address. Here is the address. I will show you the address. Address. Now, listen and repeat. Where are you going today? This is my destination. Here is the address. Please turn left here. Go straight. Then turn right. Please stop here. The fare is $5. Now, repeat again. Where are you going today? This is my destination. Here is the address. Please turn left here. Go straight. Then turn right. Please stop here. The fare is $5. Now, let's say it faster. Where are you going today? This is my destination. Here is the address. Please turn left here. Go straight. Then turn right. Please stop here. The fare is $5. Great job. You are doing very well. She feels more confident now. She smiles and walks forward. Practice a little every day. See you in the next lesson.